everybody, Brad Idea here, and with another unboxing video for you all. I got a package from my friend Twist of Fate, also known as my blue bunny buddy, and he sent it as a late birthday present, so here I am opening it up and seeing what's inside. Alright, getting the scissors, let me see. Okay. Got it. Whoa. Okay, it looks like there's a couple of things in here. It's a light bulb. It's a nice stress toy. And we get little Thumper, and oh my goodness, this is bag of toys. Whoa. Aw, I got a little bunny buddy myself. This is so cute. And I got a little Pinkie Pie with a weird hat, which is, oh, I guess it's stuck there. It's got kind of like an arrow in it. I like it because it's the best pony. And I also got Trixie, like a black Trixie, one of those cool little, I'm not sure what brand it is, but it's whatever makes the black kind. And a couple cool keychains. Looks like got a green Celestia and a clear Princess Luna. This is so nice. I have a little, what is this? Some kind of Pegasus, I'm not sure. If anybody in the comments, can you tell me who this is? Ah, Shining Armor. This is very nice. I really like how well these are done. Thank you so much, Twist. Oh my goodness. Maybe 2 weeks after my birthday, but it really does feel special. Well, that's it for this video. If you want a link to Twist's DeviantArt account and his YouTube account, actually, links are in the description below. Thank you for watching, and keep a lookout for those, wait for it, bright ideas!